drama application here, which you can watch all the drama clips, pretty much everything. I'm pretty much showing you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. The home screen of the application, very easy to use, and you have quite a lot of options which you can choose from, drama clips which you can choose from. As you can see here, you can also scroll down and look at the trending ones that everyone's watching on the application. You have the original section, which is pretty much movies that's released to this application. Here you have the new release section, and that's really pretty much it. You can also tap on the search bar at the top here to go ahead and search for what you want. You have the weekly trends of section here, as you can see here, what everyone's watching as well. So in the short section, you will just show you pretty much short clip of the drama clips. Here we'll show you the most interesting part to get you captivated. But as you can see here, you can tap on the watch all episodes option here to see all the episodes that this drama clip here has. So I'm just gonna pause it real quick. Once you tap on the total episodes down here, you'll be able to see all the episodes that this application here offers as it relates to this. So as you can see here, a lot of them may have the lock icon or the lock icon over them. You're gonna need a subscription or coins to unlock those episodes. So here you get 5 free episodes which you can watch, and the coins one is pretty much starting at the 6. So if I tap on the episode 6, it will pretty much show me the subscription page. I can either watch 5 ads to unlock this episode, or unlock using coins. So at the top here, it will tell you the price, how much coins I would need to unlock it, and also the balance, that how much coins I do have. So you can always go ahead and purchase coins. As you can see here, pretty much showing you the coin store, which you can go ahead and purchase coins to unlock this episode. So the episode is pretty much 80 coins to unlock, or you can either watch ads, 5 ads to unlock it for completely free. So if I tap on the store option over here, it will just direct me to the full section as it relates to the coin store here. So be able to see all the coins and the prices and everything. So that's really pretty much it for that. And if I tap on the option on the top here where it says the 3 dots on the top and right corner here, as you can see here, I have quite a lot of ads. So I'm gonna have to go back real quick. So you can either watch ads to unlock the episode, or you can purchase coins to unlock the episode as well. So that's pretty much it for that. There in the my list section, this is pretty much where you will see all your histories, all the movies that you have watched on this application. You can also add, let's say, a new episode for a movie's coming out soon. You can add it to the reminder, or add some of these drama clips here to your reminder so you can watch it later, anything like that. So in the profile section here, we'll add the top up option. We can pretty much go ahead and top up coins, as you can see I've shown you guys earlier. So if you can't find it in that option, you'll be able to find it in the profile section here where you see top up. So in the settings option, nothing much, just some basic features. And that's really pretty much it for this application. And if it's anything at all, please comment below. I'll gladly love to help you out, and see you guys at the next tutorial.